Hey guys, welcome to Apple Tech Review. This is a Samsung Galaxy A30s unboxing. So this is what comes in the box. We have a silicone case. We have also this Type-C cable, also a phone ejector. Then it comes with a old version of headsets. Yeah, this one is 3.5 millimeters. Then it comes with also a fast charging cable or adapter. Yeah, so this is the Samsung Galaxy A30s. So to talk on design of this phone, it comes with a power button on right side, also volume buttons. Then back side we have triple cameras, one with a 25 megapixel, 8 megapixel and a 5 megapixel, also one LED flash. Yes, then on left side it has a two SIM cards and a memory card. So here on top side we have a microphone. Then on below we have also Type-C cable and the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, also the loudspeaker also on the left side. Yes, that is the design. Here on the front side we have a front camera of 16 megapixel. Then we have also a screen of 6.4-inch Infinity V display. So compared to A30, this one it was reduced the resolutions. Yeah, if you compare both two phones. Yes, so this one comes with a 4 GB RAM and a 64 GB storage. If we can check here about phone, so this one comes with a Android version, but it can be updated to Android 10. Then also it comes with UI of 1.5. You can also receive the updates and you update it also. So guys, if you are interested in buying a cheap budget phone, this Samsung A30s, it is cheap and a nice phone which you can use without facing any challenges. So to check on the storage here, it's 64 GB storage and comes with a 4 GB RAM.